Well, only on Local 10 at Crime Alert after a community refrigerator is stolen.
It was set up in Liberty City to help feed those struggling right now. Local 10 News reporter Alex Finney joins us live from Miami with this exclusive. Alex?
Well, Andrew and Alexis, one thing we can tell you about this, and I'm sorry, I'm also getting some information from the woman who actually put this fridge out here, saying that it went missing on November 24th. And this fridge was to help people that were food insecure, like you mentioned there, an area that we know has been plagued, of course, by the pandemic, disproportionately affecting this area in Liberty City. And so I want to paint the picture for you. Right down the street here, we're off of Northwest 12th Street, is where that fridge stood. So when word got out that the fridge was stolen, you can imagine this community here was just in shock. The fridge sat here undisturbed since August, and that's really the story here. It got here in August, made it all the way through until about 2 days ago. Sharon Jones set up this fridge. It was right outside the Roots Collective print shop, and just 2 days ago, gone right before Thanksgiving. So this is how it worked. Just outside the fridge, read a sign that said, "Take what you need and donate what you don't," essentially giving those that need food in an area known to be a food desert a chance to eat, a chance to not have to go hungry. Of course, that's always the goal. Sharina Jones, who is an esthetician, made it her mission to keep that fridge stocked, and then this happened. And as you're seeing there, if you probably just saw in that video that we're running, she did put out a note a little bit earlier today letting people know that the fridge was in fact stolen. They are working on replacing it. This was such a need in this community. And one thing that Sharon also did tell me just a few moments ago before I came live with you guys, she was actually here a bit earlier giving out food to those that need it, because of course this is Thanksgiving and there are still so many people in need. And so that is the story here at this point. 48 hours ago, this fridge that was here has been here for months, was stolen by someone. Don't know who, don't know why, but if anyone has information, make sure you email us, because we're coordinating with Sharon Jones, of course, to see as we can continue to push this information out there, see how we can help her out any way we possibly can. This story is going to be up on our website, local10.com. We're just getting going here. We're going to have more on this throughout the rest of the day, and hopefully you're going to hear from Miss Jones herself. For now, live in Liberty City, right off 12th Street, Alex Finney.